khona abafowethu base-America bebenokufika la eMgungundlovu bazoba nathi, you know. So these guys, they will come to minister uChrist, take us to our restaurants and whatnot, you know. So it became a norm when I'm ukuthi njalo labantu mabefikile bazofika benemali basithengele izinto. So ngithe masengiqala ngisebenza mfethu wavakasha lo mbhemi ephuma eAmerica, umefika laphana sahamba saye naye restaurant and mfethu and ngayithatha ibill yabo. And this guy mfethu right there wathi, hey bafethu, I think it was about 4 of us, right? Bafethu selokhu ngaqala ukwenza ministry la eAfrica. Kuyaqala ngqa ukuthi mfethu ngithi mangifika e-restaurant ngithi ngifuna ukukhokha kube khona umuntu othi uzokhokha, yabo. Yes, you know. So sometimes mfethu yangishaya lo nto mfethu. This guy has been doing ama ministries in Africa maybe close to 7 years around that time. And njalo ushuthi ubethu methi yakhokha kube nale mindset ukuthi hayi vese uphuma eAmerica vese banemali, you know. And then ngase le message angilethe, let us be sensitive ukuthi umuntu ufethu rich noma unjani akusho ukuthi ufanele kuhlaze kunikeza bona, because khona abantu ufethu who are well off but I challenge yabo mfethu abatholi lutho, ama gift kufanele ngathi bona kuphela bahleze bewakhe yazi a big rich ilento gift enkulu, just that thing a gratitude, you know, knowledge ukuthi, you know, ungathi ayivese ba well off. Let us be sensitive to other people's needs as well. God is love mfethu, God is love.